Gmail account in 2024. So we have to open the settings, and after opening the settings we have to scroll down and go to user and accounts. Here you can see the option add account, and you can get the option Google. And after getting the option Google, you have to wait for a bit because it will check the information at the moment. And after waiting a few seconds, you will get this particular page. You have to click on create account, and you have to select for my personal use or for work or my business. So I'm using this for my personal use, so I will give my first name, say Abhishek, and second name is Mitra. Next you have to give the day, so I'm giving 19, the month is June, and the year is 1996, and you have to select the gender, that is male, or it can be female. Next you have to click on next, and after that it will give you suggestions. So I will create my own Gmail address. My own Gmail address will be Abhishek Mitra 77@gmail.com. Now you have to check next. So this one exists, so let's say 27, say 27, this one also exists. So let's try it like this: Mitra Abhishek 23. Yep, now this has been set. So now I am giving the password like this. So in case of password, always remember to give passwords which are relevant, and also use those kind of passwords which are strong, a mixture of letters, numbers and symbols, special characters. This will be helpful in terms of creating a Gmail account. So I'm giving this kind of a password, but I will add a bit to this @Gmail. Okay, so next I will be doing this, and it will tell you to get you in. So I am in, so Abhishek Mitra, and let's do next, and all these you can agree with it, and after that you have to click on I agree, and then it will take a bit of time and it will load, so you have to wait a bit. And after that Google services will start running, and after that you will be able to access your new Gmail account. I will be showing that as well. Stick around till the end, and let's see what results we get from this particular project. So after completion you have to click the back button, the home button of your smartphone, and you have to open Gmail, and after that you have to click on this small icon at the top right hand side corner, and you can select your new Gmail account. So now it's telling me to open the account settings and do the synchronization. So you can do the synchronization from here as well, and all the relative settings. So I will be using this synchronization feature, and it will start synchronizing my mails, my Google Meets and all those things. So you can see already I have a mail over here. So this is how you can receive mails as well. So thanks for watching this video. Like, subscribe and share, and I will see you all again next time. Take care.